Paura.
Thank you, Andrea.
Thank you so much. And now we have to prepare carbonara sauce. No cream inside,
Fantastic.
For each person, one yolk and half.
Yeah.
Okay? To prepare carbonara, we need just eggs, chicken, pork cheeks. If you don't find, you can use bacon.
Yeah.
But I mean, in some supermarket, you can find guanciale.
Yeah. We
Guanciale
have
means this part. Okay? It's cured. It's not raw. Okay? Black pepper, pasta, and pecorino cheese. That's it. Nothing more. Okay? So, you have to open the eggs. In
Okay.
the white here, okay?
Good job there, Michael.
Big or the big one? Yeah.
The big one, yes. No, more.
Oh, you never have enough then, huh? I don't know how much you want to put. Oh, you're talking big spoonfuls. Okay.
1, 2,
That's 2.
okay. 3. 4. Now mix well.
Oh yeah.
I prefer no cream.
No, we have black pepper now.
Cream.
No, the cream is not in the original recipe.
Absolutely. It's like the pesto.
The
as
Americans
well.
ruined it with cream.
But it's not the good way. So mix, and now, yes.
The cheek.
Oh, sorry.
One cheek.
Na, na, na. Pasta trafilata al bronzo. Garofalo. Now they say not Garofalo. Garofalo is the name of the family, but they say Garofa love as love. A little bit the guanciale until became a little bit gold. The fat have to become translucent, and that's it. Because after we mix the cooked pasta inside for 1 or 2 minutes, and at the end, not on the fire, we add the eggs cream. Never had the eggs cream on the fire, because otherwise the egg becomes as frittata.
Scrambled eggs. Yeah, scrambled
We
eggs.
don't want to have scrambled eggs.
Yeah,
We
the
want to
cream
have
sauce. Yeah.
cream sauce and carbonara.
So now we're setting the table.
Yes, give me 2 minutes. Red and gold.
Red and gold.
It's my father's song. So when I listen, so you see, the fat is almost translucent. Don't have to become as the bacon.
Yeah.
Most of all, my darling. And now it's dinner time, yes?
Dinner time, exactly. So these are go away, go away.
So you can take this off now.
When I do the cooking class,
Si.
normally I speak a lot. I
Yeah.
explain something about the kitchen tricks or something about the history of our traditional cuisine. But
What about the story of the spatula?
the spatula,
Yes.
we call Marisa because Marisa, the legend say that was a housekeeper,
Si.
and she have to wash a lot of stuff in the kitchen.
Yes.
And so with the spatula,
Si.
she first take off all the garbage from the dishes, so that the job was less. So,
Okay.
okay.
Andrea?
And there is also a technical word, leccapentola,
Si.
pan liquor.
Andrea?
Yes.
Who wants to try pasta?
I would love to try the pasta.
Remember, Steph, well done.
Al dente.
This is probably more than al dente for you. A little bit more?
A little bit more.
Okay.
Sure.
You see how beautiful is the trafilata al bronzo?
It really is beautiful.
I don't use the... Come si chiama il colapasta?
The drainer.
Because I have this. So I pick pasta with this.
It's beautiful.
So the last 2 minutes, the pasta qua
Attenta.
stay in the pan, so can absorb all the flavor of the pork. Never throw out the water, because if the sauce is too thick,
Yes.
you can add. Andrea, porti un mestolo? No more fire.
Steph, did you pick the cheese?
Thank you, Marisa.
Who's Marisa?
She told you the story of the spatula.
There you go. You were listening. Oh, divine, Barbara.
Now you can have your carbonara originally without cream. You see, outside the fire doesn't. Michael,
Benny Clown, Michael.
come here, Michael. Oh, sorry. Sì, non te lo faccio mangiare affatto.